National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a flash flood warning for the District of Columbia, southeastern Montgomery County in central Maryland, Prince George's County in central Maryland, the city of Fairfax in northern Virginia, southeastern Arlington County in northern Virginia, central Fairfax County in northern Virginia, the city of Alexandria in northern Virginia, until 11:15 a.m. At 8:19 a.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Up to 2 inches of rain are falling in a short period of time, and this will occur across the region during the next few hours. Flash flooding is expected to begin shortly. Some locations that will experience flooding include Arlington, Alexandria, Reston, Bowie, Annandale, Clinton, Springfield, College Park, Fort Washington, Herndon, Greenbelt, Fairfax, Langley Park, Beltsville, Fort Hunt, Vienna, Groveton, Forestville, Huntington, and Largo. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Excessive runoff from heavy rainfall will cause flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage areas and low-lying spots. A flash flood warning means that flooding is imminent or occurring. If you are in the warned area, move to higher ground immediately. Residents living along streams and creeks should take immediate precautions to protect life and property.